What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy 345 Tail, man. Back at it again, another video, man. You feel me? Right there, man. We finna do a POV drive, head into the cross, man. Get back to y'all when we there. Get it, go. Alright, man. You feel me? We finna head to the cross. Gotta hit the G station first. We gotta get some gas. You know, you see the gas. You feel me? They gonna head to. What is he doing? Station real quick, man. Charger? Wide body cat at that? Pull out to the G station. Pull up to that G thing. Feel me? Y'all know y'all heard that supercharger. You ready, the supercharger? What do you mean by that? It's like, no, that's that power steering part. That boy, make the whip sound raggedy, you ain't gonna lie. Turn it off real quick. You feel me? That was another fucking cat, bro. You said what? That was a fucking Hellcat. I just said it was a Hellcat on the video. I ain't gonna lie. This ain't. How much you finna throw in here? 93. Nigga, I said how much? Not. This nigga's like cool. 4 pounds of 4 pounds of what? Yeah, Hennessy, boy.
Really, nigga?
Hennessy?
Mixed with it. Hennessy mixed with Patron, man.
Nigga shit
with a honey pack in it.
With a honey pack? This nigga shit from the blood and shit. Alright, but we finna head in here. Get back to you when we out. Let's go. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm slow as hell. This shit slow as fuck. What y'all shit at? That bitch at 13. Been putting that bitch in there and shit.
I threw 100 in this bitch, so I don't know.
Look, you're gonna blow it, nigga. No word. My nigga Noah pulling up to this bitch. Do a little something there. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Put that in there and shit. You gotta make sure. Make sure all that in there. Put 23 in there. Get all them outlets and shit. You said over? Hell no. Hell yeah. We're gonna take 8 miles.
We're gonna take 8 miles to work.
See what y'all wanna do. Shut up. That's what I'm This bitch slow as hell. You got 10 gallons? Put the rest of my bro, put the rest of my shit, bro.
Bro, what is you doing, nigga?
Bro, put shit, finish and shit. Swear to God, shit. I ain't gonna lie though. That shit popping off right now though. So we catch y'all when we get back to it. Get it, let's go. Alright, man, we finna get back to it and see if we got some action. She jamming this shit, copywriting this shit. What's she doing? Ah! Bo. He got that bitch jumping out and shit. Shit, you late as hell and shit. Fuck is you doing? Back there stuck. And then nigga Kurt, man, we gone and shit. Nigga Tay don't know how to drive the boat. Tay don't know how to drive the boat. My shit whining, y'all hear that? Motherfucking whining, literally. Bro, these niggas driving. Oh my god. Come on, bro. Nah, I'm stuck. This shit is crazy. Ain't no way. Bro, what the fuck? Sheep. Oh yeah, we got a charger with us now. Oh, what the fuck is you
really, nigga
doing? Bro, that fucking BMW just fucked me up, bruh. Bro, this nigga just fucked, bro. This nigga in the beam was just almost killed the nigga. Bro, this slow ass BMW pulled out in front of me. Bro, that slow ass BMW behind me pulled out in front of me. This nigga, for niggas like him. Bitch ass nigga. Small smoke, bitch. Bro, this nigga almost made me mad, boy. You see us coming down the street racing, you just gon' pull over. I mean, not even pull over, pull out. Like an idiot and shit. What is you doing? Almost fucked up the big thing and shit. Nigga almost fucked up the big thing and shit, man. be too chilly for all that. That nigga shit bouncing. That nigga was stuck or something. Ooh, the burbles? Huh? Oh my God, Tay boy. This motherfucker over here shifting like he got a shift kick in it, boy. Ah! You feel me? I'm just trying to roll up the window. Alright, man, I'll get back to y'all when we at the car. Let's get it. Alright, man, we just made it to the car wash, man. You see me? Getting the hooks right and shit, getting the 3 right and shit. Getting the G right and shit, man. Oh, so let me see this and shit. Let's see this. Bro, what are you doing, bro? Nah, this nigga, bro, you on some gay ass shit, bro. Bro, what's up, bro? You on some gay ass shit. Bro, nigga. Alright, bro, chill, bro. Huh? See what? What? Tripping and shit. You ain't got big things back. Oh shit, that bitch fell. Alright, come on, let's go through the car wash. You heard me? Through the car wash we go and shit. Shit. I almost just tried to. Damn, where the keys at to this motherfucker? Keys at to this motherfucker. Them keys at to this motherfucker. Yo. Damn, this bitch at 221, 219. Shit. Go through this car wash and shit, man. C button and shit fucking annoying and shit for real. This nigga taking forever and shit. C button on this shit for real. Hey, let me through this bitch all the time and shit, every time and shit. Let me through this bitch for the free ball and shit. For real shit. That nigga still over there. Man, this nigga a rookie, man. This nigga a rookie. It is cool ass. Alright, YouTube.